guys, we're going to make something very innovative, and
this is wonderful
we
for the
used to having this as kids, so it's a nostalgic recipe for us. It's called the Chowlet. It's probably a colloquial term, but it's nice and tasty and also filling. So it's a varied variety of an omelette, but it's more filling because there's going to be a little bit of chow. So that's the magic ingredient, but it's very tasty. So I definitely recommend you to try it out. And it's very super fast, by the way. So here we have our heated pan ready to make.
Okay, now I have beaten 3 eggs with a little bit of onion and green chili, a little bit of salt. Okay, now it's just how I make my omelette. If you want it nice and thick, you can put some more eggs into it.
So while it's semi-set, we just add in some chow, and this is how it will look. As in, you can see the yellow portion of the omelette not yet set. During that time, you have to add in the chow. Chow is a boiled chow with a little bit of salt.
Now we'll flip it off. Just flip it to the other side.
How long would we take to cook it?
Maybe 20.
So this is how our end product looks like. This is our chowlet. Yummy, tasty, smells really nice. So you go and make this tasty dish and have a nice little snack. Hey guys, we hope you liked today's recipe. Please subscribe. Let us know how you like the recipe and tell us what more you'd like to see.